Hello my friends, welcome to Session NB. Today I will show you how to delete a TikTok account permanently. So let's go to the video. First go to your TikTok profile page. Then touch this icon. Now touch on settings and privacy. Go to manage account. Then tap on deactivate or delete account. Select delete account permanently. Select the reason you want to delete the account or tap on skip. Tick the why continue and touch on continue. Touch continue again. Now you need to log in to your account using phone number, email, Google or Facebook. Finally, tap on delete account and tap on delete again. See you in the next video. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up to stay up to date with the latest on Android, Windows and other tech related stuff here on Shashan NV.